Hello and welcome to this training session on using the Smoothbore Radar portal. In this section we're going to cover using monitoring setup to change configuration settings for the acceptable use policy or AUP display for users when they log on to a device with Radar client software installed to it. The AUP that is displayed at logon is often the only interactive reminder of the presence of Radar software to users, and so it is important that if used, the content is relevant to them. The following example shows the default AUP being displayed immediately after the logon process has completed. The AUP display at logon is of course an entirely optional feature, and so you may choose to switch this feature off for selected or all users, as you are perhaps already making them aware of their usage obligations. The user is unable to cancel display of this or to switch to another application on the device, such as the internet browser. The user must accept the contents using the Accept button to proceed. If the Decline button is used instead, the session will be logged off. We will now use the Radar portal to configure the AUP settings. Note that a view-only monitor user type does not have the permission to do this. Select Monitoring Setup and the selected user group for which settings should be viewed or modified. Note that device groups may also exist for your site, but are rarely used to set configuration options. Select AUP to configure the settings for this feature. Select AUP settings to choose whether the AUP should be displayed each time a user is successfully logged on. Deselect this option if it is not required and use Save at the bottom to confirm any changes. Note that if the AUP is being switched off, this will require at least one further logon to take effect. AUP message is used to configure the contents and layout of the AUP to be displayed if it is being used. The Edit Toolbar buttons can be used to customize text added. Text can also be pasted from other applications. The Insert Image button can be used to point to a hosted graphic as part of the AUP. Once editing is complete, use Save at the bottom to confirm any changes. The new AUP will take effect at the next logon. A log of AUP acceptance and refusal is visible to monitor users in the Radar portal. Thank you for watching this video.